Welcome to the 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to an 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Sierra AT4: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, push button 4x4 and drivable modes, automatic headlights, fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. The vehicle does have 58,000 kilometers on the odometer, column shifter with push button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seating, integrated chiller braking system, wireless charging, USB ports and an outlet. We do have the all black dash, Bose audio, and our leather heated and ventilated AT4 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with brand new BF Goodwrench Advantage tires. We have color match door handles with keyless entry, OEM running boards, AT4 badging, 6.2-liter plaque, the color match fender flares as well. AT4 comes with the factory 2-inch lift up front. We have the LED daytime running lamps, fog lights, we have front parking sensors, and the AT4 grille. Making our way back down the side, this is a crew cab long box, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. Long box with the tri-fold hardtop bed cover, LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow pack, and GM MultiPro tailgate. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle, we have the leather 60/40 split, both end seats car seat ready, in-seat storage. I have a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top and LED lighting, single pane sunroof, 3-stage heated seat controls, and USB ports in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2020 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.